T minus 3, T minus 2, T minus 1. We are go for launch. We are go for launch.
Instead of acting as the chief strategist in my business, I'd been acting as an extremely highly paid data entry clerk. I was spending my time drafting proposals, copying and pasting data back and forth, administrative work. I was an architect, all right, but I was an architect who was laying bricks instead of building a building. For most people, that's 70% of their work week. 70% of your week is spent copying and pasting between two different platforms. The future belongs to you all. We're going to be directing AI digital crew members